All right, from Joburg, we're only going to take 3 questions, but they must be short. If they're long, we're not going to field them. No? No. We'll take a question from you. I need a question from a lady. It's Women's Month. There you start. Let's start with you, and then we'll come back. Where did I point? This guy here. Okay.
Good evening. My name is Nombulelo. In honor of Women's Month,
Malibongwe.
Minister, you did mention just briefly that you'll be having sessions basically to raise the awareness among entrepreneurs. One thing that I've noticed is that, for instance, I know the DTI, there's a thick booklet and it's got funding structures and who to go to, but not many people know about it. And I mean, it's information actually that's available on the internet. I still find people still wanting to look for funding. There actually is funding that's available through institutions like DTI. I'm a product of CEDA myself. But I find that the information is not out there. So what other plans do you have? Or rather, are you looking at maybe having partnerships, say with others, in order to increase the awareness? And number 2, no, it's, Okay. Well, yeah, that's it.
Well, I think I have in my presentation indicated the fact that we would like to go into partner. You know what I found here to be very exciting is also the use of technology. And I think that it's one of the challenges that we have, that we as government need to step up and realize that you guys have it in your hands. You just have it here. But of course, we must also understand the fact that I'm standing here in Johannesburg. This might not be the same in Kuno. So it means I have to be conscious of the fact that while you have it in your hands here, somebody who is sitting in Kuno or somebody who's sitting in Tlazache cannot have the same. But I also think that partnering with big business would also be helpful, because I mean, if I were to go to Vodacom and say to Vodacom, look, you need to assist us in debunking and making sure that this information goes, because they have a bigger opportunity and they've got bigger pockets of ensuring that information goes out. We need to be creative. We need to look for people that are willing to partner with us and assist us in ensuring that the information goes down. But more than that, when I said earlier that we need to make sure that we bring the information down, it means the infrastructure that is already existing, we need to make it work. Because where the challenge is, the infrastructure is there. You've got CEDA offices, for instance, almost all over the country. Now, what I need to know from the CEDA offices, who are you reaching out to? I went to the CEDA office in Bloemfontein, for instance, and I found that, yes, here is an office. But I looked at the place where the office is, and I thought to myself, I wonder how many people even find this office. I wonder how many people know that this is where the office is. It's about that infrastructure that we have already existing, utilizing it, because unfortunately South Africans, we are used to doing one thing. Somebody new comes in, thinks, oh, we're going to do things differently. Forgets about the fact that there's a whole lot of things that have been done. There's a whole lot of infrastructure that is there that we need to utilize. We just need to upscale, maximize what we already have, and then what we don't have, work on it. But at the end of the day, the conclusion is that we need to do everything we can to make sure that that information is accessible to majority of people who need it.